A tartan is defined by its thread count. By thread count, I mean the colors, the sequence of the colors are in, and the number of threads of each color. In this instance, this tartan has 20 red, a few navy blue, 20 more red, some 12 bottle green, 6 yellow, etc. When you take that sequence of colors and numbers and take it across the warp and the weft of the cloth, you get a tartan. This is a modern color tartan. The reds in this are going to be a bold red, the green is going to be a very bottle green, and the blue is going to be a navy blue. The modern dyes, or the modern color tartans, use stark colors to mimic modern dyes. This is an ancient tartan. The ancient colors are really meant to mimic plant dyes. In this one, the red turns to more of an orange color, the green turns to a grassy green, and the navy turns to a light blue. In weathered colors, the red turns to more of a salmony red, the blue turns to a gray color, and the green turns to a brown. Weathered, or reproduction tartans as they're also known, are meant to look like they were pulled out of a peat bog. Now, muted color tartans are going to be very similar to the weathers, except the red is going to be a blood red, the green is going to be an olive green, and the blue is going to be like a stormy sky blue. Now, dress tartans and hunting tartans are a completely different tartan than they have nothing to do with the color palettes. For instance, this is MacDonald of Clanranald dress. This is a dress tartan because there's a lot of white in it. And typically, when you talk about a dress tartan, it means there's going to be a lot of white in it. Not every time, but often. Now, dress tartans can be made in different color palettes. For instance, this is the dress MacDonald tartan in the olive muted color palette. Now, a hunting tartan is going to be similar to a dress tartan in the fact that it is different from the clan's normal tartan. Take the example of Robertson that I have here. This is the Robertson red tartan. This is their original normal tartan. The Robertson hunting tartan was developed separately and was given the name hunting to differentiate it from the Robertson red.